Right, the hacker's back together. Replaced all the foam on the underneath the rec scene, and you can see it's come out really nicely. You see that the creases are becoming less and less with time. There's a very small crease there. It's got the nice padding back again. The labels, the badge has gone back nicely and it hasn't caused any problem. But then the back, there's a small crease on the back that I might be to stretch out a bit further. I've cleaned the grill up. I soaked that in bleach overnight. That seems to have come up really well. Inside, I'm running on external power supply at the moment. That's why the crocodile clips are on it. I've replaced about 4 capacitors on the output stage, particularly the one that needs changing is a decoupling one to the speaker from the output stage of the amplifier. AGC capacitor here has been replaced. This capacitor here has been replaced. Most of it's down to sort of AGC control and things like that. This set wasn't working properly at full voltage, i.e. 18 volts. The set just died, and it's because of a leaky capacitor. A couple of the AF117s had tin whiskers. I didn't actually zap them, I just cut the screen lead off. IF alignments, I didn't bother because it seemed spot on, and the only thing was the local oscillator was running slightly out of frequency. But the pot has been changed on this radio, the volume pot, and therefore it's obviously not a 1 meg pot anymore. So what it does mean is that the set audio is sort of noticeable straight away from switch on. That's at minimum volume, but it's still pretty low level. But anyway, the radio is working fine. Let me just run you through and see what we've got.
Got a whole group have got drinks over there. And the crowd
Lovely sound, and that I think mainly comes from the swept IF that they use on the AM, which is quite a rare sort of thing to do on an AM radio.
And it's one of my more popular.
It's really listenable sound. The fidelity's, I wouldn't call it high fidelity, but it's actually quite listenable.
United are doing, they're trying to sort of jump in.
Going to not intervene, and of course one fan.
A bit of interference from the stuff in the workshop.
It's like he was not there.
Yeah.
So I said something. I said,
Long wave.
And so he had to find a job. So instead of being an academic who might have lived in the country, he had to find a job in
So all
London.
I'm looking for now, if anyone's got one, and this poor old hacker is crying out for it, is the handle. I had a quick look through my junk pile and I can't find anything, so it would be nice if someone out there has got a hacker radio that's broken for spares. I would like the handle if someone's got one, that'd be great. Just let me know how much you want for it. So basically, yeah, that's the Hacker RP30. The only other thing I did with the internals was I aligned did an RF alignment on it. The oscillator was very slightly off frequency. wasn't significant really, but I brought it back on and then tweaked the RF trimmer and aerial matcher and things like that, and the sensitivity came up quite nicely. So thanks for watching, and something a bit different coming up next.